Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. You might be wondering why I'm whispering. You might be wondering why I'm wearing my pajamas. See, it's late night. We're ready to hit the hay. We have one task to do tonight, and that is to make clotted cream. Or shall I say, for the next 12 hours. It's only one ingredient, but very time consuming. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Time to get a graveyard shift on. This is Clotted Cream. Clotted Cream is not made in the US. Actually, I lied. I just made it. Ha! Oh, it smells divine. It smells like cheese. It honestly smells like cheese. We'll let this settle at room temperature, and then we'll take it, throw it in the fridge for another 12 more hours. And you thought we were done. Ha! Not yet. Great. 12 more hours in the fridge. What am I gonna do now? I got an idea. Household chores. Oh, on second thought. Oh yeah, finally, yes! Okay, remove from the fridge, remove the saran wrap. You're gonna use a spoon and just scrape the top off gently like so. And keep going row by row. Oh my gosh, that looks so scrumptious. Don't you dare even think of throwing away this liquid. Nuh-uh. We're gonna save this for our future episode where we make scones. And here it is, our final product, the clotted cream. Let's go ahead, let's take a spoonful, let's see how it is. You definitely don't want to take a glob of it. Just want a little taste, because this is used as a topping for other things, like on top of pudding, on making scones with them. The texture's very buttery, has a little yellow to it, looks pretty good. And then that topping that we saw that was kind of crusted, that had that yellow, you definitely want that. That is like the king of all cream crops. So let's try this out. This is what we've been living for. This is the taste of heaven on earth. Wow, it's very fluffy, very butter-like. It's not sweet. Overall, this is a success. The amount of hours that it takes to make 1 cup of this awesome, delightful, heavenly, creamy tasting clotted cream. Love it, love it. This is the first time you're here watching me, go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and click on that little notification icon, because I will be uploading videos in the near future using clotted cream. So in the meantime, go ahead down below, go ahead and comment and like. I want to hear your thoughts on clotted cream. And until next time, keep on rocking.